Chatting. I'm trying to make as much content because I don't really like making content anymore. Yeah, I do like it, but yeah. I'm trying to make as much as I can so I don't have to post for that much. Dumpling. So like this is a rare dumpling. This is a fake dumpling, and then somebody's gonna be poor, somebody's gonna be rich. So yeah. Let's just pretend all my fake Nitos and the fake spec thingies. Specs and all that stuff. So yeah. Alright, so I got all of them laid out and I'm gonna trade now. Oh, look at that girl, she's so rich. I'm gonna trade with her. Do you wanna trade with me? Sure. Why not? Okay. I'll trade this really good sand. To see. Can you add? Yeah, sure, why not? I'll add my slushy squishy. Can you add? Because like this is like really rare, so like yeah, I guess. I'll try this Orbeez crab, and I'll also try this foam soccer ball. I guess I can add something. My butter. I'll add this little like mochi taba squishy thing. But this is like the secret one, so can you add this fake Nito dream drop? Is that okay? Oh no, it's fake. Add. Fine, I'll add the matching set then. Now you add. Okay then, okay, geez. Then I will add my gum. It's a Fidget. Now you add, please. Oh, a gum. Well, that's actually kind of good. I'll add my Nito popsicle, but like the mini version. And I'll add my gummy bears. So you have to like add like everything you have. I'll try this, this, and this. Except. Bye.